Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform, Moodle at l'Université University of Blida in Algeria. Today, we're going to present our 16th and last lecture titled What is Blockchain Technology? So I have divided our last lecture into the following elements as follows. What is blockchain technology? How can you select the right blockchain company? Language activities, including your building vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar. Finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exam. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is an open, distributed ledger that records transaction in code. In practice, it's a little like a checkbook that's distributed across countless computers around the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrency transactions. Select the right blockchain company. We have created a comprehensive listing of the top blockchain technology companies on the following criteria: user experience in the market, the experts and CEOs, team strength, skills of blockchain developers, technologies the company works on, number of blockchain projects completed by company, blockchain services and product, and finally expertise in business development. Language activities, the phrase receive the title of refers to the accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. Malik received the title of CMO in his company. Finally, learners, please don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exam. Thank you for your attention. Wish you all the best.